So dumb. Why do you think they're doing that to us?
Hey bro, you wanna eat all them cupcakes?
How do you feel about this party? Do you think it's gonna go well? Yeah. It's gonna be so surprised. It's gonna be so funny. Turtle, do you have the string?
Yeah, I just bought it. It's in the supply closet.
The big dummy's in for a real surprise.
Can't wait to see the look on his dumb face.
This party is gonna be so fun. If you hurt him, you will regret it.
What's your name again?
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, you can go kill yourself. Yeah, that's what you should do.
Do you like strawberry flavor sweets or blueberry? Honestly, I prefer both, but like...
Well, here's the man of the moment. We'll start the party once everyone's here.
We have a stand.
I put in a
So where's this big surprise?
Put it on the shelf. Somebody must have moved it. Silly string. We'll spray him with it and surprise the heck out of him. Come on, Joe, grab those 3 cans and let's go back to the party. This is gonna be good. Wait, is this like an exaggerated surprise or just like a regular surprise? Everyone, gather around. It's time for Whisper to open his presents.
Okay, open up another present, Whisper. What are you? You're all
Okay. The fact that you said, here you go.
You tell us. Not doing it. There's a
No, he's the
drink out of it. I just took a hit of my drink and you just started dying. Okay, Whisper, open up another present.
Open it up.
Stop right.
Open it up.
Stop right. Mommy and Connor.
Are you serious?
Stop my mommy and Connor.
Oh, God. Oh, I can smell it.
All right, open the last one.
Whisper, are you alright? It burns. I don't think this is funny at all. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves.
Hey, it was just in fun. One of the cans must have got mixed up. No one actually got hurt.
What do you call this? It's okay, Ivory. Leave me alone.
Oh, he's just being a big baby.
That was loud.
All right, come on, guys. Let's go back to our offices.
I wonder when they're gonna turn the lights back on.
I don't know, but I hope
Hopefully the
soon.
backup generator works.
Hey, guys, has anybody seen Ivory? Because I can't seem to find her.
Let's just split up and we'll look for it.
Yeah, I'll take
I'll
you.
go with you
and-
two.
Ivory! Ivory!
Peanut, I'm so glad I found you. Everybody in my group is missing. What is going on?
I don't know, but everybody in my group was missing too. We should probably go check Whisper's cubicle.
What?
Whoa. Good thing I was there. Who was that that grabbed you?
I don't know. I couldn't see before I got pulled. Hey, Peanut, do you see? Peanut? Peanut, where'd you go? Peanut! 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 Ivory, where have you been? We've been looking all over for you. Come on, we gotta go.
Welcome back to GNN. I am Alex Taylor, and today there have been multiple abductions at the company of Morgan Sales. The police are investigating the property at the moment, but there are no leads. As soon as there is a lead, we will notify you. Now, we will be back after these messages.
Oh, Henry. Hi there. How's your first day going? Good? Hey, have you met everybody yet? Oh, one sec. Here comes Kenny. Kenny! I'd like you to meet Henry. He's gonna be working here with us. Hello. I hope you have a good first day. I know you'll be a valuable employee here.
What are you guys doing in here?
We thought no one would come. What day is it?
Got it. Good.
He wants $15.
Oh yeah. I just say line, screams, line.
Okay,
Screams and pain.
Yeah, I got it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you have a first good day. I know you'll be an important employee here. One more time.
First good day.
She bullied me.
Everybody get in a single file circle.
I'm not hitting the thunderstrike. I'm lying on the ground.
Make sure you're in the...
Hello everybody, welcome back to GNN. Today we...
Okay, I need to pass the camera. All I need to do is have you walk off this scene so that I can edit it, okay?